How to choose a Shopify plan. So let's say you like Shopify and you want to upgrade from the trial version to a plan. For this, we will click on settings from the left hand side, and you should be able to see plan in the second slot here. So once we click on it, then you will see cancel trial or choose a plan. I'm just going to choose a plan, and here you will be able to see basic, Shopify, advanced. But if you scroll down a little bit, you will be able to see starter, retail plus. Starter is only for €5 per month, so I'm going to choose this one. After you click on select starter, then here you have to type out your information, credit card information. So I'm just going to type this out real quick, and after that we are going to click on subscribe. Okay, so after you have typed out your credit card information, we can just click on subscribe here, and it should automatically buy this plan for us, because before it required credit card verification. So as you can see, subscription successful, and now we have successfully bought this plan. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.